Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be discussing about the question paper of VSSC Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Thiruvananthapuram for the selection to the post of the cook. Okay, so let's get started. The first question for this paper was, what is a garnish for tomato sauce? So the answer will be croutons, not onion, cream, lemon wedges. Cooking is defined as a chemical process. So it is defined as a chemical process. What do you call Indian ice cream? Lassi, basundi, kulfi or kheer? So these are all Indian dessert. Lassi, basundi, kheer are Indian dessert, and kulfi is an ice cream, Indian ice cream. Lassi is a drink made from yogurt, dahi. This is a small savory pastry filled with vegetables or meat. Is a favorite Indian appetizer served at a tea time. So the answer is samosa. Indian breads are delight. Which of the following are not bread from India? Paratha, chapati, puri, and kubos. So kubos are not from India. These are from Arabia. A major ingredient in Indian cooking is ghee. What is ghee? So ghee is a form of clarified butter. When we heat the milk and put some vinegar, so that we get the clarified butter. What is a basic ingredient of a curry? Coconut, cinnamon, turmeric, and cashew nut. So coconut, cinnamon, cashew nut, these are all main ingredients. Turmeric is a basic ingredient. What is a table sugar? Fructose, oats, glucose or sucrose. So fructose is a sugar that is from fruit. Glucose is C6H12O6, that is not. Sucrose is a table sugar. Tandoori style cooking is from Punjabi cuisine. Which of the following is a popular dishes originated in South India? Chutney, mulligatwani soup, chicken masala, korma. So mulligatwani soup is from South India. Chicken masala from Punjab. Korma, it's not from. It's a chicken-based dish, but it's not from South India. Chittaranna, which of the following is a popular rice dish in Andhra Pradesh? So answer will be biryani. What is chitraanna? Chitraanna is a lemon rice. It's from Karnataka. Mosaranna is a rice with curd, and it's generally served outside the temple. Mosaranna and biryani is served in. It's a famous dish from Andhra Pradesh. What is mean by blanching a vegetable? So blanching is a process in which the vegetables are cut and then mise en place is done. Then after that the vegetables are boiled and then put it on the cold water. Why this process is done? Because it helps in enzymatic action, as well as it helps in retaining the texture, color and flavor of the vegetables, and it increases the lifespan of vegetables. So it is curdling or dipping in first in boiling water prior to putting it in a cold water. What does it mean to braise? It means to braise. So braising is a process in which we first roast the poultry, chicken or meat. Then what we do is like in braising, then we put it in the aromatic liquid or in stock, or it can be wine. Then we simmer it and we then cook. So this process is known as braising. So it's cooking a food in a small amount of liquid or a closed container. So that is braising. Then what is smoke point? So smoke point is a process in which it's a process in which first when we put the oil, so it start getting burning, or it started smoky flavor, or it gives us sense or smell of smokiness, means that the oil is burning. So that process, that point is known as the smoke point. प्रिट्जल प्रिट्जल जैसा आकार की मिठाई जो चीनी की गड़ी चाशनी में होती है. सो प्रिट्जल लाइक शेप इज लाइक दिस शेप. दिस इज ऑफ जलेबी. or it can be of Imarti. The Hyderabadi cuisine is a blend of which of the following cuisine? So it is from Mughali, Lucknowi or Persian cuisine. इसमें से कौन सी बंगाली मिठाई है? Very easy. So the answer will be rasgulla. How can you correct a dish that has been oversweetened? So we will add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to neutralize the sweetness of the dish. Why baking soda is used for baked food? So baking soda is added for it helps in leavening. It acts as a leavening agent. And when we put baking soda in flour, and when we bake it, so it started expanding. So baking soda acts as a leavening agent. Which one is devised in India? Devised means ये कहाँ तैयार हुआ है? Tomato ketchup is not devised in India. HP sauce is from England. Hindustan relish sauce is not from India. It's not prepared in India. Worcester sauce is prepared in India, and it's originated in England. It's originated in England. Which of the following deep fried snack is similar to bhaji? So pakoda. So pakoda is means it's pakoda, kadi pakoda. Methi ka pakoda. So this is similar to bhaji. Which product is commonly used as flavoring Goan food? So coconut is mostly used as an Goan food. Hot and spicy Indian dishes are served with one of the side dishes to cool down the plate. So raita. Raita is to cool down the plate. It helps in side dishes of hot means hot and spicy dishes. Which of the following cuisine usually has a coconut as a main ingredient? So korma is a dish that usually has coconut as a main ingredient. Rogan Josh is from Kashmiri cuisine, and Dhansak is from Zoroastrian. This Zoroastrian people brought this Dhansak, and Methi is not included in this. You know, Dhansak is a popular Indian dish that is originated in Parsi Zoroastrian community, and this is also comes under Gujarati cuisine, and it is prepared by mutton, goat, or poultry with lentils and vegetables. So this is Dhansak, and Rogan Josh is a lamb meat or lamb, or it is prepared from lamb or goat meat, and it's very famous in Kashmiri cuisine. It's originated in Kashmiri cuisine. Which would be the hottest curry, most spicy? So the answer will be Madras curry. Madras curry is the most spicy curry. Vindaloo, that is from Portuguese brought this dish, Vindaloo. Patia means it's an ancient Parsi form of curry from Persia and predominantly available in the UK. It is hot, sweet and sour, but the most spiciest one is Madrasi. And Kashmiri is also spicy, but Madras curries are more spicy. Which of these dishes could be said to have heavy on the onions? So the answer will be do piazza. Do piazza means these are prepared with onions. The gravy is prepared with onion, and then again onions are added, like paneer do piazza, chicken do piazza. So these are piazza word is means it is a meaning that 2 times onion are added to the dish and it is prepared, and spices and curry and garnish. The ratio of onion to meat is 2:1 in this dish. And in Pasanda is a popular Shahi Mughali dish from North India. Example, Pakistan derived from the meal several in the court of Mughal emperor. And Zalfrezi is a curry dish originated in Bengal and popular throughout the Indian subcontinent. The main ingredient is meat, fish, paneer or vegetables stir fried in a thick sauce, and that includes chilies, pepper, cinnamon, ingredient or bell pepper or tomatoes. So this is Zalfrezi. Culinary use of egg in making mayonnaise is it acts as an emulsifying agent, because oil as well as the egg or fat, the oil plus the egg or fat we are putting, so These acts as an emulsifying agent in preparation of mayonnaise. So in this question, the question was, when roasting potato, pumpkin and carrots a similar size 180 degrees Celsius, what is the best order to cook them to ensure them they are ready to serve? So first we'll add potato, carrot and then pumpkin. The correct ratio of butter to flour must be used in a roux to ensure to obtain correct color. If you people find that I am wrong in some answers, so you can comment below and tell me that whether I am wherever you find that it is I have told the wrong answer, you can correct me by putting in the comment box. The next question is, how are tasks prioritized in a workflow plan or preparation list? So in this answer, the clear step is, first we do easiest and quickest job are done first, as we know that we prepare misa and then we start our preparation. Which of the method of cooking fruit keeps the structure of fruit intact while imparting flavor? So the answer will be poaching. Poaching means, in a liquid we allow the fruits or vegetables or eggs to means put in the liquid and put some amount of oil, and this allows for keeping the structure of the fruit intact, not baking or stewing or grilling. What is paring knife? So paring is knife is a small knife that is used for cutting small ingredients. Identify the reason why food must be labeled with best before date or expiry date. Why it should be labeled? So it should be labeled for the use before microorganism grow, not fresh food first to help people use the fresh food. Yeah, it is there, but the most important thing is to for use before the microorganism grow. Puree is extract of fruits, means the tomato puree. So what we do, that we tomato or any other fruit, we when we prepare puree, so we these are the extract of fruits, we sieve these completely, sieve this, and this is known as extract of fruits. How does adding salt boiling water affect it? So it speed up the process of boiling water. The simple answer is, it speed up the process of boiling water, so we add salt in the boiling water. Which of this cutting board is most sanitary? Sanitary means it has less organism, or it comes in less contact with the organism. So when we talk about plastic, so plastic is in plastic boards when we use for cutting or chopping, the plastic boards are more hygienic when we are doing when we are chopping for the first time, but step by step, but by after the process, plastic gets more attached with the organisms. wood is uh, Wood is the best cutting board in the sanitary, is the most sanitary for cutting boards. Chilies and tobacco are introduced by Portuguese. Portuguese brought these chilies and potatoes in the year 1510. They brought in 1510. 1510. For what type of cooking is referred to wet heat? So braising comes under wet heat cooking method, and these are all dry cooking method: grilling, scorching, frying. Choose the wrongly spelled word. So grievance is the wrongly spelled word. All three spellings are correct, but grievance spelling is Grievance. Grie. Raghu, here starts the grammar portion. So Raghu is dash the Ram, taller than Ram. The boy fell down when he was climbing on the tree. Antonym for optimist is pessimism. Synonym for obscure is unknown. And here we have to arrange it in the ascending order. It's very simple. Choose the option which give the correct meaning for the phrase miss the boat. So miss a chance will be the right option. He dashed foreign languages. He knows. And catches fire. So flammable or concentrate will be the right answer for this. Rama killed Ravana. So it is an active voice. So passive voice will be Rama was killed by Ravana was killed by Rama. A hot potato means most wanted person. The plural form of knife is knives. This is singular. This is plural. And now it starts the maths question. How 11 out of 25 is written as percentage? So this will be 44. Prithvi Shaw was the youngest Indian to score century in the Test debut. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was from Rameshwaram. National Women Commission for Women is chairperson is Rekha Sharma. 2020 Summer Olympics were held at Tokyo. Sorry. The largest amendment in the Indian Constitution is 42nd Amendment. Find out the odd one out in the given list. Hammer, because knife, forks and spoons are all cutleries. Kabaddi, football, golf, gymnastics. Which one is kick-off associated with which game? So football. Who is the author of Ignited Minds? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thrust area of Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. So unemployed youth. So the main focus for the Rozgar Yojana is unemployment youth. 20% per annum. So we need to calculate the loss. Here we need to calculate the 20% per annum. So I was unable to get the answer for this question. If you find it, please comment below. I was getting the answer 1200 because 20% per annum in first year, then 20% per annum in the second year. So the answer will come 4,000 plus 4,000 8,000. So 8,000 minus 20,000 will be 12,000. So answer is not here. So please get the answer and comment below. City for the Golden Temple is Amritsar. Who wrote the play As You Like It? William Shakespeare. RBI headquarters Mumbai. 72nd Santosh Trophy was held at Kerala. The Davis Cup is associated with tennis. The smallest state in India is Goa. Tomato, carrot, potato, onion. So this is a fruit. So tomato. Choose the smallest fraction to 2 upon 5. Very simple. LCM for this will be 60. Square root for 361 is 90. 19 square is 361. Through board mass rule will solve this question. The answer will be -2. RBI governor is Shaktikant Das. Lord William Bentinck banned the Sati Pratha. This question was that the elevation is the tower height is 50√3 and the tower the distance between the tower and this will be 50 meter. So this is a 90-degree triangle we'll get by Pythagoras theorem. If we will do by tan 30, so we'll get 60 degree. 5,400 is the selling price and loss of 18%. So loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100. So we'll get the cost price and then through this we will we get the loss. Through loss we'll find out the selling price because we know the cost price. So the man brought the cycle for 5,400. So cost price is equal to loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So we'll get this answer 4228. A man comes 24 meter due to west and 24 meter he traveled 24 meter west means this side from the point here, and then he traveled 7 meter north. 24 meter due to west and then 7 meter north. So what will be the distance from this to this? By Pythagoras theorem we'll get 25 meters. So this was all about the video. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you.